Hi there, it's Laura from Make Life Lovely, and today I'm going to share with you the best Harry Potter pumpkin juice. It is so delicious. I modeled it after the pumpkin juice at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Universal Studios, and I think you'll love it. Also, I'm going to share how to make a pumpkin drink dispenser out of a real pumpkin, which is super cool and very, very easy to do. If you love Harry Potter like me, or even just love Halloween, then you will love this pumpkin drink dispenser and this pumpkin juice recipe. They're perfect for your next Halloween party. First, I'm going to show you how to make the pumpkin drink dispenser, and then I'll give you my pumpkin juice recipe. So to make the pumpkin drink dispenser, you'll need a pumpkin. It needs to be medium to large size. It doesn't need to be huge, but big enough to hold all of the pumpkin juice that you'll be serving. Use a small sharp knife to cut around the top of the pumpkin, just like when you're making jack-o'-lanterns. You'll want to make a nice even cut, lift up the top, and then use a large spoon to scoop out all of the pumpkin flesh and all of the pumpkin seeds. Whatever you do, don't throw those pumpkin seeds away. It's so easy to make delicious roasted pumpkin seeds with them. You can also plant them next year and grow your own pumpkins. Or if you have chickens like me, you can also feed them to your chickens. Next, you'll need a spigot set. I went to my local water store and bought a plastic spigot set for about $6, but for double that, for about $12, I got 8 sets of spigots on Amazon. So if I were to do it again, I would go the Amazon route, so I had a bunch more. You can find a link to the spigots and all of the supplies and step-by-step instructions on my website, Make Life Lovely. I included a link to this post in the description, so you can click and find it there. You're going to measure the spigot, put it up against your pumpkin, and use a pen to trace around it so you know how big to make your hole in the pumpkin. Then you're going to take a small sharp knife and carve around that hole. Now try and do it as nice and neat as possible so that the hole is the exact same size as your spigot. Once you've cut your hole to be the right size, then put the front part of the spigot in the hole on the outside of the pumpkin, and then place the back piece on the inside. All you have to do is turn it and screw it on. And just like that, you've made your own DIY drink dispenser. Now all you have to do is pour your pumpkin juice inside, put the lid on, and serve. This is such a fun way to serve pumpkin juice for Halloween, or you could serve any drink inside it. I think this is so unique, and it's a great way to serve a drink at a Halloween party too. So here's what it looks like in action. All you do is lift the top just like you do a regular drink dispenser, and out comes your pumpkin juice. So now I'll show you how to make the best Harry Potter pumpkin juice. Our family goes to Universal Studios quite a bit, and we love, love, love the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and all things Harry Potter, really. I created this recipe to mimic the flavors of the pumpkin juice at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. The original version from Universal Studios has water, apple juice concentrate, pumpkin puree, apricot puree, sugar, natural and artificial flavors, citric acid, something potassium, that's a hard word to read, and sodium benzoate. So there's lots of sugar and lots of natural and artificial flavors, which aren't good for you. So here's how I made my pumpkin juice drink. I took a 64-ounce bottle of apple cider, poured it into a large pot. Then I added 1 cup of 100% pumpkin puree. Make sure that it's not pumpkin pie filling or pumpkin filling. It has to be the pumpkin puree. Then I added 2 cans of Kern's apricot nectar to that, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I stirred all the ingredients together. It did take a few minutes for the canned pumpkin to kind of melt down and combine with the rest of the liquid. But once it did, then I had the most delicious pumpkin juice ever. There are lots of incredible health benefits of pumpkin. It's high in vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, potassium. If you wanted to get the sugar level down on this, I didn't add any sugar, but there is some in the Kern's apricot nectar. So if you wanted to, you could just leave that part out and just stick with the apple cider and the pumpkin and then the spices. And I think it would still be delicious. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think. If you love this video, please share it with 3 friends who also love Harry Potter and Halloween. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.